Hey guys, so in this video we want to explain to you very quickly how to replace the light bulb inside of an old fridge. So you can see here I open the door and the light bulb just doesn't want to light up anymore. So here we have our replacement bulbs. In this case here 40-watt bulbs, appliance bulb. That's very important. You find those pretty much at any grocery store, supermarket, Walmart, what have you. They usually have those readily available. Yeah, this is like an old style incandescent clear bulb. You can also get those in LED and with or without frosted glass. So first thing we should do is unplug our fridge for safety. In case you are not able to reach the plug or the outlet of your fridge, that you can also look inside of the door for this little switch that you have here. This is like my little hack. The switch may be located here at a different location here. It's like right at the top in the center of the fridge. I was going to hold this down, and when you hold this down, that will disable the circuit, the electric circuit to our light bulb. It's very quite important. So I'm going to use here a little sticker that I use here to turn off or to close the switch, making sure there's no electricity here now flowing to our light bulb. So the light bulb sometimes is like covered with like a little plastic piece that you first have to remove. That should be relatively easy. Those are normally just clipped in, or maybe you have one screw, and then we see here this label even that informs us what kind of bulb we need. It says here maximum 40 watts appliance light bulb. So here we have this light bulb here right in the corner. We're going to unscrew this by turning it counterclockwise just a couple of times. Then we have here already our new bulb. We make sure that the socket here is exactly the same size, E26, and we're going to screw that in just by rotating it clockwise, making sure it's really nice and snug in there. Of course, don't over tighten it so that the glass eventually breaks. Be careful and replace the plastic cover in case you have one. And now it's time to remove our sticker from the switch again, and you can see our light inside of the fridge is working again. Okay, so that was pretty much it for this video. In case you are interested in the little bit facts here of the light bulbs, why you shouldn't use just a regular light bulb. So these appliance light bulbs, those are a little bit specialized to stand or withstand here the cold temperature inside of the fridge, as well as the vibration that is created by the compressor, which runs on and off here inside of the fridge and pretty much shakes the whole fridge. So this shaking would very quickly break a regular light bulb.